So last two problem for our integration by parts series. So for number 10, we have to evaluate the integral of 2 plus 5x closed quantity multiplied by e raised to x over 3 dx from 6 to 0. So similar to the other problems, again, the primary approach is to identify your u and dv based on our ILATE or ILATE. So dito, meron tayong algebraic and meron tayong exponential. Since exponential, ito yung pinaka-least na pipiliin nyo na u. Therefore, napakababa ng chances na ito yung gagawin yung u. So kapag exponential, dv na kagad yan. So we have here, let u ngayon is equivalent to 2 plus 5x. Our du is 5 dx. Then our dv is e raised to x cubed dx. Okay, so let's find b by integrating both sides. So we have now v, the integral of e raised to x cubed, that is e raised to, not x cubed but x over 3 multiplied by 1/3 ln e. So we know that ln e is 1 and anything divided by 1/3 will be multiplied by 3, so this becomes e raised multiplied by e raised to x over 3. Okay, so applying the formula, the integral of u dv is equivalent sa ub minus the integral of b du. So our u is 2 plus 5x and our du, or our v rather, is 3 multiplied by e raised to x cubed minus the integral of 3 multiplied by e raised to x over 3, not x cubed, medyo nakukano lang si sir. And then our du is 5 dx. So this can be 3 e raised to x over 3 multiplied by 2 plus 5x minus, labas na natin yung 3 times 5, 15. Then we have the integral of e raised to x over 3 dx. So we have here 3 e over x over 3 multiplied by the quantity 2 plus 5x minus 15. Ito na integrate na natin kanina. This is multiplied by 3 e raised to x cubed. Do we have a limit? Since we have a limit 0 to 6, 6 to 0 rather, 6 to 0, our lower limit is 6. So here we can factor out yung 3e raised to 3e raised to x over 3. So we have here 3e x over 3. Then we have 2 plus 5x minus 15 from 6 to 0, or this is 3e raised to x over 3 multiplied by the quantity 5x minus 13 from okay, 6 to 0. Alright, so evaluate na muna natin sa ating upper limit. The f of 0, again, this is our upper limit, we have e raised to 0 over 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 0 minus 13 close quantity. Anything raised to 0 is 1, so we have 3 multiplied by negative 13, or this is negative 39. Then our lower limit, we have f of 6, so we have 3 e raised to 6 over 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 6 minus 13. So we have 3 e squared times, this is 30 minus 13. So that is 30 minus 13. 7 carry on 2. So this is 17. I apologize. It is a course siguro when you are using a calculator for a very long duration. So this is 51 e raised to 2. So medyo nagiging doubtful na on manual solution if you are using calculator for over a decade na rin. I think since 2013, more than a decade of using calculator. So we have here the integral now of this function is now our upper limit is negative 39 minus our lower limit na 59e squared. Or okay na siguro to, huwag na nating pareho naman silang negative. So this is our answer for this problem.